Good afternoon, everyone. Students, my voice is audible to all of you. Ankit Raj and Pushpanjali, you both are studying in one class. 5A. Okay. Mute, mute yourself. All of you, mute yourself. Good afternoon. Students, mute yourself. Good afternoon, all of you. Now, the board is visible to all of you. Is the board visible to all of you, students? Just a minute. Students, mute yourself. Just a minute. Just a minute, students. Now, is it clear? Now, I hope it is very much clear. All of you take out the chapter models. Whatever it is written on board, is it visible clearly? Now, all of you look at the board. Am I visible to all of you? Am I visible to all of you? Very good. Now, see, students, yesterday we have started a new topic in our English practice book, and the topic name is models. Chapter number 10, models. Now, what is the definition of models? Models are the words used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. They are helping verbs and are used within other verbs. For example, may, might, could, should, can, etc. And model express these three things. The first one is possibilities, the next one is permission, and the third one is request. Clear, students? Is it clear? Yes. Now, yesterday, worksheet number 1, 2, and 3 was your homework. Have you all done? That's very good. That's very good, students. Now, yes, I will discuss all these worksheets. So, take out worksheet number one. All of you take out worksheet number one. Students, why I have to repeatedly say that mute yourself? Some background noise is coming and it disturbs the class. It disturbs the class, students. So kindly mute yourself. Now, from 5A, students from 5A, be ready with your answers. Take out page number 89. Have you all done? Here you have to complete these fill in the blanks using the 8 box given below. You may use some words more than once. Dear Tom, I have just read that. I have just read what you have written. You dash take rest. What will be the answer? Write down. It will be can. No, it will be can. Students, it will be can. You can take rest today, but you should have told me the truth. Have you all written? You can come up to me and ask me. What you have written? You might have come up to me and asked me. I dash have said yes. I would have said yes. Written, I would have said yes. But I believe that you could never stop making excuses. You could never stop making excuses. Then you dash try and mend your ways. What it will do? See, it is giving examples. So you must try and mend your ways. Then only dash you will be able to win the love and respect of others. Then only then you will be able to win the love and respect of others. Clear? Now, all of you take out page number 94. My sound is not coming. Now, it is coming. All of you take out page number 95. Have you all taken out? Have you all taken out, students? Now, it is do it yourself. It is do it yourself. One example has been given for you all. So try to do it. All of you. See what you have to do. Rewrite the sentences given below using the words given in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. You have to rewrite these sentences. For example, take your feet off my chair. And in bracket, the model is given, the model verb can. So how you will reframe the sentence? Can you take your feet off my chair, please? Then a question mark. Clear? Second question. Take this form to the office. The model verb is given can. Very good. Write down. Can you take this form to the office, comma, please. All of you do the next example. We are doing page number 95. So what it is? Take this form to the office. Comma, please. Put a question mark. All of you put classwork at date. Then the next question. Turn the CD player down. Then the model verb is given could. Just wait a minute, students. Wait a minute. Who is telling the answer? Students, be on time. Very less number of students are attending the classes. And that too you should be on time. Good afternoon at Ayush Kumar. Mute yourself. Yes, good afternoon. You are very late. All of you mute yourself. Now, who will answer? Aradhya Purari of 5E. So, do not speak together. Ayush Kumar of 5E. Ayush, Wait a minute. Ayush Kumar, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayush. What will be the answer? No. Could you turn the CD player down, please? Write down the correct answer, all of you. Could you turn the CD player down, comma, please? The next one, third one, sorry, the fourth one. I want to borrow your book for today. What will be the answer? Write down, correct, write down. I borrow your book for today, please? Could I borrow your book today, please? Next one. Let me share your book. Anitya, can you reply? The model verb is may. Listen it properly. Let me share your book. And the clue is given may. So how to frame the sentence? Very good. May I share your book, please? May I? Very good. Very good. May I share your book, please? Next question, students. Pass me that book. Can. Who speak together? Can. The correct answer will be pass me that book, please. Can you pass me that book, please? Then only the sentence will end with the question mark. The sentence will end with a question mark. Is it clear to notice? Students, is it clear? Now, the next question. I want to use your phone. Could. No, start the sentence with the word. Wait, wait, wait. Just a minute. Do not speak together. Ayush, mute yourself. Yes, Sony of class 5A. Sony, unmute yourself. Sony, tell me the answer. Sony, tell me the answer. Are you following the class? No, Sony will tell the answer. Yes, Sony, quickly. What it will be? I want to use your phone. Try. Sony, you are not able to understand the class. Anyone else? Ankit Raj. Ankit Raj. Wait, wait. No, do not speak together. Ankit, wait. Very good. Correct answer. I want to use your phone. Could I use your phone? Wait a minute. Do not speak together. Your voice will not be audible to me. Now, the question is, let me read the question. The last question is, switch the fan on and in the bracket it is given, can you please? So the answer will be, can you please switch on the fan? Can you please switch on the fan? Can you please switch on the fan? Now, see, all of you turn page number 96. Read what a group of class 5 students tell their school reporter in answer to the following two questions. Your question is, what do you think you will be in 10 years' time? What do you think you will do after that? So, a school reporter is asking some of the questions to class 5 students. So, the student is replying, I may be completing my MBBS or engineering course. I might join politics. Now, here is the use of modal verbs. Can you identify, students? What are the modal verbs? Very good. Name and noun. That's very good, students. Now, next one. Me, I don't know. I could go and settle down in the USA or I could become an actress. So again here is the use of modal auxiliaries, that is could. Now, could. Correct. In the bubble given below, write down your answers to the questions. Mark it as your homework. Students, mark it as your homework. Now, also to take out Unit 11 Models 2. We'll continue. example? Now, the first one, students, using must and must not. Using must or must not, or should not, write down what these signs means. The first one has been done for you. Students, you come across different signs when you are walking on the road, when you are traveling, you come across different kinds of signs. Now you have to identify these signs and you have to frame these sentences using must, must not, should not. Now the first question, all of you take out page number 97, put the classwork. Okay, I'm having a different book. You are having a different book. All of you put the classwork and date, students. Classwork and date. See, you can see in your book. Here it is your book. The first sign is that it is showing you must not bring dogs here. You must not bring dogs here. The second one is the picture of it's a picture of a dustbin. Very good. You should throw the garbage in the dustbin. All of you write down. Students, write down. Shall I rub this? All of you have written? Very good. Very good. Write down, students. You should throw the garbage in the dustbin, or you should throw the litter in the dustbin. Very good. Very good, students. If you have completed, then let us discuss one by one. All of you do this exercise. I think I will discuss with you all. The first one, you should not throw. You should throw. Sorry. Sorry. You should throw in the dustbin. Very good. Now, next symbol is of tree and axe. So, what will you answer? You must not cut down the trees. Write down. You must not. students? Very good. Now the fourth one. What will be the answer? What will be the You can write down students vehicle. Vehicle means it can be a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Instead of car, you can write down vehicle. Now, fifth one, zebra crossing. Students, this time you should not speak. Students, kindly mute yourself. Just a minute. All of you be quiet. Ujjwal, mute yourself. I will point out the students. Yes, Suryansh Singh of 5E. Roll number 30. Yes, Suryansh. What is your answer? Suryansh, you should use zebra crossing. Okay, Suryansh, mute yourself. Radhika, what is your answer? Okay, Aradhya Kumari, what is your answer? You should use zebra crossing. All of you mute yourself now. You should use zebra crossing. Zebra crossing while crossing road. While crossing the road. Have you all written? Very good, students. Last one. The last one, what it will be? You should not take a left turn. You should not take, or you can write that you should not take a left turn. You should not take a left turn. Full stop. You should not take a left turn. I hope everyone has written. Now, all of you turn to page number 98. Students, page number 98 is your homework. 97. Now, students, have you read this chapter, The Five Chunks? So, see what you have to do, I am explaining you. In the story, The Five Chunks and the hacker turns out to be a young boy. Mrs. Stephanie forgives him, but at the same time wishes to give him some advice. Imagine you are Mrs. Stephanie, write down the advice he needs. So here some examples are given and some clues are given in the help box. You have to use those examples and you have to frame the sentences. For example, you must not get involved in crimes like this. Then next is you should concentrate on your studies instead. Then what else you can use? You very good. You should respect your elders. All of you can write it down. You should respect your elders. Next, next, you should be helpful to others. Good. Next, misuse. You should not misuse. You you should not misuse the technology. One by one, students. See, this is your homework. See, all of you. This one is your homework. Clear? And this is also your homework. Now, all of you take out worksheet number 4. Students, all of you take out worksheet number 4. Students, kindly mute yourself. Now, I am discussing worksheet number 4. Your sister is in the hostel. She is very upset about her teeth that are giving her trouble. Write the following letter to her. Complete the letter using should, should not, or must, must not. All of you have taken out, students? Good. It's very easy. See, dear Rosie, you sound very unhappy because of your teeth. You dash get disheartened. What will be the correct model over here? You should not. Write down all of you. Are you writing? Students? Yes or no?